Go with another Church's Chicken video.
Church's Chicken thumbnail.
Hold that,
Hold this up. Hold this. Turn around so I can see it. Look. Like that. Thumbnail.
Come on, Michael, get in. There you go.
Okay. Hey, y'all. Here we go, another video.
Heavenly Father, thank you for this meal we're about to see, for the nourishment of our body. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen.
Yo, it's short because I'm hungry, y'all. I
ain't get it in.
I was coming down. Put my phone up. Stop blowing me up. Damn.
Man, you come to all that. Because I'm recording.
I think I put a little bit too much salt, sister. You got a big thing of mac? Oh, shit, I'm going to smash one of these, then. We got a 20-piece. Mashed potatoes and gravy, and mac and cheese.
I thought you got them. I thought you got three of those.
You going with your pop? Mine going with you?
That's my grandbaby.
Yeah.
Say hi, y'all.
Hi, y'all.
He's just chilling with us today. Well, I came over here to chill with him.
Get caught in a piece of this chicken. Go get him a leg.
I think I put too much salt, Michael.
Leg too.
What you think?
Yeah.
What?
Y'all.
Let me say, I don't know.
Oh.
Get my soda. Y'all, I was got my peppers, so.
Ain't that in the refrigerator?
No.
I was so hungry.
Shit, we ain't ate all day.
I've been watching all day.
I supposed to be at work today, but
She got an out day, so we doing sister time without that extra person.
finally.
And we got the hot sauce on deck.
What's left of it?
Yeah, they be telling my house outside. And I got my honey.
Let me keep the honey. We got Mark over here on the sideline. He's just trying to eat. He ain't trying to talk. Oh, y'all see him? Oh, he's in the right spot there. You like honey? On your chicken? When? When you start hanging with your Aunt Jean? Here. There you go. Just open. You put it all in one spot? Do it like, there you go. Uh-oh, you got somebody to eat the honey with the chicken with your sister. Put it on your plate right there. Just in case you want another piece of chicken, okay?
Y'all, got my big blue on deck.
What stuff you drinking?
A cool blue Gatorade.
Got a blue Gatorade.
Okay. Y'all already know my drink. I ain't even gotta let y'all know what the business is. I keep it on that.
Too bad they don't get. What the heck?
He crunching. Hard.
He can crunch them. They making cheese too salty.
Is it? I already got salt in my potatoes.
And that cheese is salt tasty. It's salty.
I didn't taste that salt.
That's mushy.
Mushy and salty.
Ooh.
They all do.
I can't do church
I
snack.
started to get corn on the cob, but there's not corn on the cob.
Oh, man. Y'all, y'all want to see this one back with us, just let us know in the comments. He like hanging with Granny and ain't you? Don't you?
You still scrub.
Little peanut.
I'm hungry for real. Let me have some.
Y'all see my nails?
Oh, yeah, right there. No, back where you was at. There you go.
I'm trying something to throw on too.
If you can see it, they can see it. Can you see it? Mm-hmm.
My Valentine nails.
I don't do nails, y'all. I'm just me.
She do booty shot. She ain't
You
pay
start
that
doing
for.
this.
I need to start doing nails? So we gonna have a conversation about me now? What you have to say?
You need to go back to music like it used to be. The booty shot. You got out that other shit you trying.
No cursing.
I ain't cussing. I'm just laying the fact.
I'm
No,
just saying.
don't.
They can hear you.
Yeah, don't do that. It'll cut my video off. Yeah, these potatoes so good. I love chicken potatoes.
They know you say it every time you get potatoes. Which one? You good? Eat them potatoes.
You want some more potatoes?
You ain't even ate them.
Eating that meat. Turn around and eat the one.
You can't say you got it from your granny because it didn't. So what you gonna do about the top of this red you got? You gonna cut it off with what?
Can you start smacking on the ceiling?
Oh, smack it in your ear? Did you hear that?
This is not the door.
Tell her what you said.
You see that?
He asked me could I stop smacking in his ear. Are you done, sir? You done? I tell you, I'm not paying enough for all this extra stuff. That's gotta go. That hot sauce got me hot. He just eating y'all. He ain't
Why
trying
you
to
got to stand up and eat? Huh?
We're gonna have to get him something where he can sit right there.
Cause you're too short.
Mm-hmm.
He ain't tall yet. He ain't got the lean like he said he ain't got that yet.
That wind blowing. Look, they trying to look at you eat. Ask them do they want a bite. Ask them. Look, he offer him a bite. Hey, y'all, go take a bite.
Never even take a bite.
That's the mean. Boy, if we don't want to go in that game, close that front door. Yeah, come on.
I don't like it like that. I'm not passing me
Girl,
nothing.
you got 2.5 seconds to bring one in there. I mean, I apologize.
Okay, that's what I thought.
2.5 seconds.
Tori, you can take mixing them from this chicken.
Hell no, you tell her eat her own damn thing.
Stop cursing.
Stop cussing.
Who cussing?
For real though. Can't say no, kind of. Cause his kids watch this. And you'll knock me out. My video won't even get up.
I'm cool. You want me to eat out of big chicken?
Hey, V. Why you asked to do it?
I didn't ask you to do it, your auntie asked me to do it.
No.
Now what? Now
You
what?
should have said no. You said yeah.
But I was hungry.
But you still should have ate. Mark should have did with us.
That's right. You heard what he said.
Are you serious?
Exactly.
Is that how you feeling?
He can't use it right
Get
on
your great nephew, sister. I'm finna punch him in his throat.
Oh, excuse me.
Mama said it ain't bad, man. It's good coaching. Yeah.
I'm just a good cook.
I don't know how far I'm gonna get with these potatoes. These potatoes might be going to the house for me to eat.
No.
They fattening. You got something to say? You looking at me like you have something on your chest. Hey. You got something to say? Huh? You got something to say?
Tell her leave me alone.
Tell me to leave you alone. What they gonna do? They over there and you over here with me. So what?
You did it first. Matter of fact, I said
You
right
know
here.
what?
He say matter of fact.
You know what? He might make it go viral.
Must have.
This one right here. He don't even look at the freaking camera.
I do.
Look,
Look,
when you
tell
pick them
him-
potatoes up, look at the camera and eat them.
Look, tell him
There you go.
Tell him how old you are. Tell him how old you are.
I'm 6 years old.
It's still screwed.
Bad as hell.
Stop cursing, yeah.
Look. Tell him what grade you in.
I'm in first. I'm in second.
Which one? First or second?
Second.
Are you sure?
No, he ain't.
I think you confused.
Kinda ain't, dude.
Tell him your birthday.
The July the 9th.
You gotta tell the camera. Talk to them.
The July the 9th.
Duh! He said duh, July the 9th.
Leave him alone.
9 days after his granny birthday. Did you know that?
Yep.
Who told you?
Nobody.
How you know?
Because
Because
your birthday's till December.
my birthday is July the 1st. Oh, snap!
Get up. You want some more potatoes? Get up. Tell your granny to eat. You need to eat.
Granny done for now.
Now you eat that food.
Boy, you like to make... Ooh.
Food.
Ooh.
If y'all want to get this dog,
Give him a bone.
Here, get your
now
ass
get
on.
my
Give him
bone.
this bone.
But you gotta take that little thing.
Stop.
Shit, I give him the whole day on.
Here you go.
Little thing.
My children like bones too.
I'm already done it.
You done?
Yep.
Why don't you have something to drink?
He got some juice there.
I'm saying why don't you having something to drink? Drink something. Look at the cheeks, sister. Fat.
You see what he did?
Uh-huh. Look, let Granny show you something.
Okay. The one ain't stop it.
Look, let me show you something. When you do it, when you show your drink, you show it like this so they can see what you're drinking. Okay? There you go.
You can say Gatorade.
Man, sister, your nephew finna be all the way 31 tomorrow. What you gonna do?
I'm
I'm
finna,
doing the same way I done Paul.
I'm finna keep this dog. You don't
What, taking the Golden Corral?
Take him out to eat and have him say Happy birthday too.
Shit, I want to go.
Okay.
Who?
Your daddy.
Your daddy.
That's all fine.
Your dad's birthday tomorrow.
Did you know that?
I'm going.
You going? Okay.
You want to go? Okay.
Get this.
Yeah, I can do all that.
Stupid.
I-
Not tomorrow. They gotta be
I got a
Thursday.
problem with him. I'm gonna kick his ass.
Knock it off Thursday.
There you go with that ASS. Yeah, you know Aunt Jean too, don't you?
Papa's.
On top of Aunt Jean. Yeah, this is a short video. We was hungry. It took us a whole minute to get things situated because my sister just went and bought the backlight for the phone, but we have to take the back off of it to put the batteries in.
Yeah, I bought new clean.
But next time it won't be such a short video because I'm gonna try to have everything set up while she go get something to eat.
Yeah.
By the time she come back, all we gotta do is sit down and eat.
Yeah, cause the
It was still a little warm. It wasn't cold all the way, but it wasn't hot either. Cause we was trying to set up.
yeah, I got my mic and all that. But I think I have to get another mic.
Do me a favor. Subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. And leave us a comment in the comment section.
And y'all want
And
to
if you
bring
want
little
to see
man
this one
back?
right here again, please let us know.
Let us know. Say share,
Share,
comment,
comment,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Like,
And like. And hit that button.
And hit that subscribe button.
And give us a thumb up.
And give us a thumbs up.
There you go.
you got my baby all confused. Because he just said that 2, 3 different
You
kinds of
look
ways.
like you disappointed.
He said that 2, 3 different kinds of ways.
That's right. He supposed to.
You understand
Yeah,
what
boy.
your Aunt Jean be talking about?
He supposed to say, like I said, I want him to say like he wasn't going to say it.
Get your napkin. Here. Let me see.
He only is. So
He was off in his field this morning.
he was a demon in his film.
Yeah, I can tell. He wouldn't even talk to me.
Yeah, you didn't want to talk to his dad.
Michael said, he say,
You didn't want to talk to his
get over here now, boy. I can't tell you no more.
Here.
He probably got over there.
Yeah, when you raise his voice.
Yeah.
I think
He now raised his voice.
he didn't raise his voice. What did he say?
He said,
What did he
What did he
say?
say?
he said, get over before I jack you up.
Is that what he said?
That's what he said.
You want
I'll
him?
go wash my hands.
So what did you
Yeah.
do?
I can't.
Oh, you gonna mind somebody, ain't you? If it ain't nobody but your daddy. Huh? That's what's up.
What you tell you when you get off from work? What y'all gonna do?
You know
He
that.
said they going to the studio. He gonna do a duet with his dad.
You going to the studio with your daddy? Okay. Just leave an autograph. Just autograph one for Granny, okay?
He said he gonna do a duet with his daddy.
When y'all get through with that duet, bring Granny the CD. Make sure you sign it for me, okay? Okay. The name gonna be worth a lot of money when you get older. Cause you're still a youngster right
Oh,
now.
you ring it. That's my phone.
Y'all don't give a damn about the damn phone.
Ready to ready.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sing it, baby.
Really?
Come on, sing it. Sing it. What's wrong? Sing, baby.
This motherfucker said no.
No what?
Now he won't come pick me up.
Who?
Joe. I got something for that ass though.
Hey, can we watch the video? It's watching right now.
So that means next time you actually scratch your back and I say no, you ain't gonna keep asking. Record, damn it. That means I ain't say nothing about Batman. That means
Go back to
the
your
next
bed.
time
I'm recording.
who is it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna wash my hands, y'all.
Y'all gonna go up here?
Come on, y'all. Let's go and sit down. Come on, Michael.
Am I gonna do what?
Let's sign out right quick. My phone ringing.
Okay, y'all. We're gonna get at y'all the next video. We was hungry. And we just wanted to do something.
Where are you?
So, deuces. That's Mitzi.
Okay, well, she have to wait.
Call her from Emma's phone.
Peace.
Peace. Come on.